And the BJT has wide application in computers, satellites, and other modern communication systems. Everybody, I think you are having a laptop or a personal computer, and you have memory, right? So, what are the two types of memory you have in a computer? Two types of memory.
Random access memory and read-only memory, sir.
Yes, random access memory. And what is the purpose of memory? Purpose of memory. Why do you need a memory in a computer?
Of memory, memory and permanent storage of memory, sir.
No, I cannot get you. Repeat once again. Rishi, you are there? Rishi? Prithviraj?
Yes, sir.
What? Why do we need memory in computers?
To store data.
In the form of? How does your data get stored in a computer? Okay, assume you are opening a Microsoft Word document, you are typing something and saving. It is getting saved in D:, and immediately you go to properties and see the file size is 14 KB. So what does that mean? 14 KB means what?
Bytes. It saves. It stores bytes.
The total size. Yes, kilobytes. Which means byte means what is byte? 1 byte equal to 1 byte equal to how many bits?
Can I say, sir?
Yes.
8 bits, sir.
So everything boils down to what? Ultimately, the capacity
0
of a...
1, sir.
Yes. And I told you, when a transistor is used in the cutoff region, it is going to be 0. It is going to give 0 output. So it is going to store 0. When the transistor is going to operate in a saturation region, it is going to produce enormous amount of current, and it is going to give a high output, right? So the basic memory storage element is nothing but a BJT. So one BJT circuit can store 1 bit. So remember, a single BJT circuit can store 1 bit. Assume you are buying a, what to say? Nowadays, terabyte memory device are available, right? You are buying a hard disk, external hard disk of 1 terabyte. So 1 terabyte means how many tera means what is the power? What is the power you are going to say? Giga is 10 power 9, tera is 10 power 12, right? So 1 tera byte hard disk will store 10 power 12 byte, and 1 byte is 8 bits. So it is 8 into 10 power 12 bits I am going to store inside the hard disk. So if you are going to store 8 into 10 power 12 bits inside a hard disk, how much transistors you